So those are the 6 questions that we recommend anybody who wishes to specialize in the development sector to ask themselves. I'd like to reiterate here that it is rarely possible for anyone to have complete clarity on all of these questions without having spent a considerable amount of time in the development sector and learning by doing. A lot of people are very passionate about the issues that they'd like to work towards, or the ways in which they'd like to contribute to society. But if you aren't one of those, it might actually be better not to narrow down your focus too much in the initial years, because that allows you to explore a wide range of work opportunities and figure out your interests in the process of going through your career journey. Moreover, it is neither recommended nor possible to narrow down your focus to an extent that opportunities are hard to come by or do not exist at all. For example, if you were interested in the space of impact investing for grassroots legal justice, it would be difficult to find the relevant opportunity. So that is something that you should also keep in mind. To conclude, I'd like to say that you can use these questions as a framework to figure out your niche interests as you move along your journey in the development sector. In addition to these questions, we also recommend the book Designing Your Life, the link of which is in the description, which is a book that a lot of my friends, including the co-founder of CID, Ria, highly recommends when you're looking to design your career. So that's it from my end. I hope you found the content of this video to be useful. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Additionally, you can also sign up to the mailing list if you'd like to be updated with our latest content, a lot of which is not available on YouTube on a regular basis.